So as you can see, I'm sewing. And I love sewing right now. My grandma's teaching me. And she's teaching me in a good way. There's a little magnet there. It will keep me on track, as I can see, I'm getting off track. And if you get off track, that's bad. So don't get off track. And I am actually 5, soon will be 6. 5-year-olds, I'm starting out sewing. I've sewn for a few years. Now I'm coming up to about 6 layers at sewing. And 1 second, I think so.
So is Grandma going to have to take over now, or can you do that too? Or
Yeah, I've done it. I did it on the other part.
okay.
So. As you see, I'm almost at the 6 layers. And because I'm almost at the 6 layers, you should see something that I do when I'm at the 6 layers. As you see, I'm at the 6 layers. And you see where I go up. There's me going over the 6 layers. Soon I'll be pressing this reverse button. So it reverses all the fat. It reverses the needle stuff. And it's good. And you have to lock these things in place. And as that's called, is locking in place. So, ready, Grandpa?
I'm ready.
And I pull it out, and I just clip this right here. And as you can see, I sewed about most of this, most of it, well, all of it, sort of. Yes, I sewed a lot. Now I'm just trimming these.
Mm-hmm. That's very good. Well, I think that's a nice little report here about your sewing techniques. You're really learning a lot.
You should send that to other people that can't sew.
Okay.
They would learn.
All right, we'll sell it. We'll send that to them. Thank you.
They would learn a lot about how to sew. If you don't know how to sew yet, please just use a magnet. Put out what you want to set it at. Then yes, you can see there are little things. And please pick which setting you want. I like sewing because I'm sort of beginner, and then just press that to go there, then or there. If you come over here, this is how you turn it off. And if you have one of these, press that button. This is if you're turning it around on pockets. And if it's on that, and then it's like how much, and then how wide you want them to be. You want them to be little? Do you want them to be big? Do you want them to be little small? And then this one is how wide you want the techniques to be.
Well,
and then
wonderful.
as you can see, how to let it go up here. As you see, they first want you to unwind it a good amount, and put it around there, go down, and then loop up again, and then go down, and then looper there. Then as you see, looper there, then get that figured. Go through that notch, and then you have to go. Then you have to go through the needle. Then do this again. So then and then this. And then peel that thread out there.
Well, thank you so much, Ronnie Marie.
Send this to people that can't do it, and I don't know what those two buttons do, but just. And then this button, it's a little hunch, way back here. It says it's down and up. Down and up. See how it's down right now? And then up.
Okay.
And then if you have a pedal down here, that will make it go and not go. If you press this, it will go. If you don't press it, it will not go. Thank you. That's my report.
Over and out. Thank you.
You're welcome.